I really love the setup here. It's very different, and I almost feel like I'm working on a ramp and 20 years younger. So I'm Gopal Chhetri, and I invite you today on a journey, one of innovation, which is, which isn't a solo sprint, but a team sport. Yeah. So welcome to powering innovation through purposeful partnership. Yeah. So trust me, in today's era of AI, cloud, and rapid technological transformation, one doesn't build future alone. We build it together. So with that, let me introduce CGI with some visuals and let the visuals talk for themselves. Can I have the video, please?
They say everyone in the world is 6 connections apart. But someone from CGI, we're just 2 steps away, supporting the services you rely on every day. Remember your friend Taylor from school? Taylor ensures your water is clean and safe by monitoring the water treatment plants, dams, and pipes in your community. When your children head off to school and enjoy a catered lunch, it's Quinn who is helping develop the platform that reduces food waste and drives sustainability. The online shopping you love so much? Jasmine plays a big part by building the e-commerce solution that helps retailers manage inventory and ensure your parcels arrive on time. And Kai, who attends your yoga class? They support the systems that help your national weather forecaster access accurate data to predict the risk of forest fires and hurricanes. We're part of your world. Behind the scenes, we work with government and commercial clients to help them keep our societies running. Resilient in crises, flexible in change, essential every day. You might not see us, but we're always just 2 steps away.
Yep, so we are just 2 steps away for partnering with all of you here. Now let's go to the, let's dive deep in our topic, why innovation culture matters for GCC. Yeah, so you've seen today there is a lot of rush for GCC, and there's all the enterprises are rushing to build more and more GCCs. Why are they doing so? They're doing so because there's a immense competition there. There's a lot of technology, transformation that is happening, and there's a lot of disruption taking place. So enterprises are really, looking forward to bringing innovation, bringing that agility, and bringing that new product into the market as soon as possible. Now, why are they wanting to do it with GCC? Because GCC is an extension of their, company, and there you can have the close connect with the business. They can bring more value quickly. I mean, the big enterprises that we talked about, the large service providers are also there, but they have their own, challenges in terms of interacting with the business and getting that value out to the market quickly for them. So therefore, GCC has become a big imperative for all the enterprises. And now GCCs, you heard the earlier speaker talk about how they've evolved, but today's GCC is all about innovation and agility. Yeah. So if you are not able to bring in that innovation, then over a period of time you will become irrelevant, and there might be an existential issue as well, challenge as well. So therefore, going forward, the expectation, or now the expectation from all the enterprises, how do we derive these value quickly and bring more market, share, more revenue stream, bring more customer experience, and all of that good stuff is what they're looking for. And therefore, now the question is, can you do this on your own? Yeah, and what we have realized is that the innovation can be leveraged or can be done better if you are able to leverage the ecosystem partner, whether it is your client, whether it is your alliance partners, or your own team. So, we in CGI have done this very well over the last years. We have powered innovation through collaboration with clients. We have done built multiple products along with our clients. We have done collaboration with our alliance partners like Microsoft, Google's, UiPath of the world, and also with our teams. So, we have a number of things that we have done along with our clients and alliance partner, as I mentioned. So, to give you an example of few, what we have done is we have for one of our GCCs in India, it's a large tire manufacturing company. What we have done is, let me just give a little bit of a context, then talk about it. What they were doing, they set up an AI ML practice COE here in India. They hired all the top-notch engineers from the market, and they were doing POCs. Yeah, and then when I went and met the CDO, she said, hey Gopal, what we have done is we've hired all this done, we've done all these fantastic POCs, but we are very, very we are struggling to get the business buy-in. So then I told her, innovation in isolation will not work. We'll have to collaborate with the business and other ecosystem partner quickly. And with this client, we've been working for last 25, 30 years actually. And then we sent a bunch of our experts from our company, and we collaborated with the GCC. And believe me, today we have 16 use cases running, all of them giving business value for them. So that's the power of client knowledge, the industry knowledge, and the domain knowledge of it. So that's what you get with some partners like us who have been working for many, many years. Another example, there's another automobile company and a shipping company. They have a GCC here for a long time, and they have not been able to derive the value that they were wanting. So the group CIO contacted us and said, hey Gopal, our team seems to be working very well with you and getting a lot of projects delivered on time, on budget, and also a lot of innovation. Why we are struggling with our GCC? Can you do some workshop with our people and find out what is the issue? And then we did some workshop, and we found that, okay, there's a process maturity issue, the cultural issue, all of that of working with the enterprise. And then what we did is we worked with them to create a joint team, and we did a few sprints together. And after that, they were able to deliver the required velocity and productivity that the enterprise was working. So that's another example. Another example of an alliance is, we talk about AI, agentic AI is the most happening thing today, isn't it? So we partnered with UiPath, and along with a retail giant in US, we created the first AI agentic solution, and we automated the entire sales order process with them. And I was very proud to present that in the UiPath DevCon a couple of weeks back. So that's how we do it. So it's that ecosystem you need to leverage, then only you will be able to do it much faster, better, cheaper. Yeah. So there's a lot you can do in terms of how to partner with all of us, and I see my time is going up. So what I wanted to share also is CGI, way back in 25 years back, we started a GCC doing some product development, support, etc. And over a period of time, we evolved as a IT services partner for many of our clients. And we have now developed more than 200 IPs, as you can see, and we are investing $1 billion in AI. Yeah, and it is not to do POCs, but real outcome. We say, ROI-based outcome. So that's what we are working on, $1 billion, and we are getting good value out of it in terms of reskilling our people, working with our clients and generating that value out of this AI investment. And there's a lot, so we have invested a lot, other partners have invested a lot. So that's where you can leverage what is already being done rather than reinventing the wheel, isn't it? So what have we been doing? We've been doing all kinds of things with GCC. We have more than 50, 60 GCC clients currently. We have helped them set up. We have done BOT model, and we have a very matured relationship with many, many GCCs. We do the traditional staff org, we do fixed price, we do managed services, and we, of course, as I mentioned earlier, we build, set it up, build it, operate it, transfer it, and some we run it together as well. So as a company, we have done a lot of work on GCCs, and there's a lot you can learn from service providers like us, GCC and others. So the takeaway is innovation can happen with purposeful partnership. Yeah, it cannot happen in isolation. It takes a lot of effort. You'll end up burning yourself, and what it needs is a tribe and a shared compass with some partners. Then it can become much faster. So the takeaway is that, and let's create let me wind up with this thing saying, let's create the next wave of GCCs, led by innovation, collaboration, and make India proud. Thank you very much.